Good evening. Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel Balal Language School. In this video, we will discuss about IPA system or International Phonetic Alphabet. And it's known to all that there are 26 letters in alphabet. So these are visible and which are invisible. IPA system talks about this. And 5 vowel sound which are visible: A, E, I, O, U. But International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA told us about 44 sound of alphabet, and among these 44 sound there are 24 consonant sound and 21 vowel sound. And IPA system tells us the 44 sound are divided into two parts, vowel sound and consonant sound. Now let's talk about International Phonetic Alphabet. Here phonemes are phonetics. What's phonetics? Any distinct units of sound is English language. Means which sound are pronounced with the help of your mouth. Any short or single part or particle of pronouncing any letter is called phonemes or phonetics. So here in this phonemic chart we will found 44 sound which are being introduced by IPA system or International Phonemic Alphabet system. Now I'm talking about this. Here I wrote English phonemic chart. English phonemic charts mean in total you are saying this. These are the total phonemic chart of English. And later on we'll discuss each and every part which are relating to this. First here IPA system divided the 44 sound into two parts. Vowel sound, these three are vowel sound and these are consonant sound. First I'm going to talk about a vowel sound. So first we are learning about the definition of a vowel sound. Vowel sound. A vowel sound is a syllabic speech sound pronounced without any structure in the vocal tract. At the time of pronouncing any vowel sound, your blowing air from the mouth will not be hindrance anywhere inside the organ of your mouth. So here these three types of letters will not be hindrance at the time of pronouncing. So first, these vowel sound are divided into three parts: monophthongs, diphthongs and triphthongs. Monophthongs means single tone. In definition, a vowel that has a single auditory quality. Means at the time of pronouncing monophthongs, your pronouncing particle will be single, not double. And here at the time of pronouncing these letters, you must notice that from which part of your mouth this sound will be pronounced. Before pronouncing, you will divide your vocal cord into three parts: lower part, mid part and upper part. So notice here a from lower part of your vocal cord or tract, a from upper part of your vocal cord, a o a. These are the correct pronunciation of vowel monophthongs. Mono means one, phthongs mean tune, single tune. So I is for sit, A is for heat, O for book, O for food, E for well, A for cat, O for top, O for pot, A for bout, O for before, A for cup, A for smart and perk. By this way we are learning these monophthongs, and first one will be short, second one will be long or shorter and longer at the time of pronouncing these letters. You will pronounce this as a short I'll pronounce second one as a long. So these are single pronouncing tune. Here you'll find double pronouncing tune, diphthongs. Double tune in reference, a sound formed by the combination of two vowel sound is a single syllable. Syllable, you know, the pronouncing part of any letters. If you pronounced any letters within one breath, it will be one syllable. Two breath, two syllable. Two breath mean two fraction, your mouth. Two breath, two syllable. Three breath, three syllable. And more breath, polysyllable. Breath means here not breath, your breaking of your tune. One break for one syllable, two break for two syllable, three break for trisyllable, and more break for polysyllable. So here I am pronouncing these two vowel sound. These two vowel sound will be pronounced within a single sound, but you have to know that there are two vowel sound which give one vowel pronouncing sound. A is for May. I is for boy, we is for boy, air for tear, air for care, or for tour, or for now, or for now. Here are 8 letters of diphthongs or double tune, and there are also 5 tune, triphthongs, triple tune, a union of 3 vowels pronounced in one syllable. Here are 3 vowels, but at the time of pronouncing, you will give one break of your tune. A are for player, I are for fire, we are for royal, O are for lower, O are for power. So by this way, we have learned about a vowel sound. Now we have to learn about consonant sound. Consonant sound, first you learn the definition of consonant sound. A sound in which the breath is partly obstructed or which can be pronounced with the help of a vowel sound. At the time of pronouncing any word from consonant sound, you have to take help from a vowel sound before or after of this pronunciation. Without help of vowel sound, you cannot pronounce. This is the first condition, and second condition is your breath will be obstructed inside your mouth. Means you cannot pronounce is clearly. You have to it should be aspirated. Aspirated means at the time of pronouncing it will be fluctuated inside your mouth. And there are 2 groups of consonant sound, but this consonant sound is closer each other. But first one is first one is voiced and second one is aspirated. Aspirated, it will be short and it will be long or longer. Please, map, birthday, teacher, tear, date, lady, class, cat, garden. First one is voiced, means P is voiced, B is aspirated, T is voiced, D is aspirated. For farm, flag, for vote, for thank, this, the, for together, both. Ch for chairman, church, J for age, S for sing, Z for zoo, Z for zoo, Sh for sugar, crash, J for pleasure, M for mess, M for mess, N for native, no, for sing, L for lady, large, R for river, red, H for hello, house, how, Y for music, yo, o for wet. So by this way we have learned about IPA system or phonetic chart of alphabet. We are covering the sound within 2 or 3 breaths. E, o, o, a, I, o, o, aya, uya, our, po, bo, to, do, ko, go, fo, vo, to, the, v, to, z, to, z, ch, jo, so, je, sho, jo, l, ro, ha, yo, o. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful for you, you must subscribe this channel and click on bell icon for getting updates about my video. Thank you so much.